Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all in 7th International Conference on Applied Zoology 2024. This is me, Dr. Wadiha Arshad from University of Education, Faisalabad campus. The topic of today talk is evaluation of antibacterial activity of arsenic nanoparticle produced by potato Solanum tuberosum against Staphylococcus aureus. First of all, what is toxicology? Toxicology is the branch of science which deals with the toxicants and poisons and their effects and treatments. While a toxicant is a substance that can produce deleterious conditions on a living system, and they may be man-made or naturally occurring. There are several categories of toxicants, but the general toxicants are drugs, radiations, chemicals, heavy metals, and infectious agents. Some of the environmental toxicants can pollute air, they can pollute biologically water, and pesticides and indoor fumes by biomass combustions can also serve as environmental toxicants. Arsenic. Arsenic is an element that naturally occurs in the earth crust. It can be present in plants, soil, sediments, airs, various foods, or drinking water, and anthropogenic procedures can also add arsenic to our environment. Arsenic is a transitional metal and have four oxidation states, can make covalent bond with other metals. While it is steel gray in color, brittle and solid, tasteless and odorless, and less thermal and electrical conductor, exhibit shine and glow. There are some benefits of arsenic and as well as some disadvantages. The benefits are as follows: as a treatment of diseases such as diabetes, psoriasis, syphilis, skin ulcers. It can also use as wood preservative, glass making industries. Its applications are in the mining, metallurgical, and semiconductor industries, and agriculture chemicals as well. While it can change the behavior of any animal, long-term storage can delays decompositions and toxic to the plants and animals as well. Arsenic can be exposed via dermal contact, inhalation, absorption through skin, and gastrointestinal tract. Arsenic cause oxidative damage, which can cause chromosomal aberrations and interference with cellular signaling. It also helps in activation of transcription factor, which can alter the gene expression, and all these factors leads to the carcinogenicity. The main objective of this research was to synthesize the arsenic nanoparticles from potato peel extract, its characterization via UV visible spectrophotometry, FTIR, and XRD, and also to evaluate the antimicrobial effects of arsenic nanoparticles against Staphylococcus aureus. Significance of this study is to synthesize arsenic nanoparticles utilizing plants extracts, and that can offer several advantages over physical and chemical approaches like cost-effective and environmental friendly. Arsenic nanoparticles are less prone to inducing bacterial resistance compared to antibiotics due to their direct interaction with the bacterial cell wall, obviating the need for penetration. Methodology. Materials used in this research was sodium arsenide, distilled water, potato peel, Nutri-Tiger, ethanol, standard antibiotic, gentamicin. Plant was collected from a Ayub Agricultural Research. Sodium arsenide salt was purchased from Sigma Eltridge. Stock solution of sodium arsenide of 0.01 molar was prepared. Arsenic nanoparticles were synthesized by adding 500 ml plant extract in 500 ml of salt stock solution with a ratio of 1:1. After that, it was heated at 80 degrees centigrade under vigorous stirring using a magnetic stirrer. The reaction mixture changed into dark brown and the mixture was allowed for 30 minutes for a complete mixing of salt solution. Later on, precipitates were separated from the reaction mixture by centrifugation at 6,000 RPM for 20 minutes and dried in Petri plates at 60 degree in the oven. Finally, arsenic nanoparticles were collected for experimental work. Characterization was done using UV visible spectroscopy, FTIR, and XRD. While antimicrobial activity analysis of arsenic nanoparticle was done using pathogenic bacterial strain of Staphylococcus aureum, which is gram-positive bacteria, and it was used to test the efficacy of arsenic nanoparticles against them. Those were prepared at different concentrations of arsenic nanoparticles like 10 mg per ml, 20, 30, 40, and 50 mg per ml in respective dose groups. Well diffusion method was used to analyze the minimum inhibitory concentration. Staphylococcus aureus overnight cultures were diluted with nutrient broth. Stock solutions of arsenic nanoparticles for MIC were produced separately. Different concentrations of arsenic nanoparticles were introduced to tubes holding test organisms. Positive and negative controls were made individually with or without arsenic nanoparticles and organisms. The test tubes were placed in an incubator and incubated overnight at 37 degrees centigrade. Turbidity was measured to assess the growth of an organism in the presence of a substance, and the lowest dose that inhibited the organism's growth was designated as MIC. Calculation of minimum inhibitory concentration. Statistical analysis was done using SPSS version 22.0. Results. UV visible absorption spectroscopy gives the absorption at 230 nanometer, that was 3.18 nanometer. This is the graph showing the UV visible range at 3.018. FTIR graph shows that the broad peak seen at 335.34 per centimeter represent OH stretching in phenolic compounds. Sharp and strong peaks observed at 2924.69 centimeter indicate CH stretching in aromatic compound. Sharp and strong peak seen at 1579.68 shown nitrogen oxide stretching in the nitro compound. A weak peak observed in 1390.26 per centimeter indicated C double bond or stretching carboxylic acid, and strong peaks seen at 1118.55 centimeter correspond to C bond C stretching the vibrations and C bond H stretching in aliphatic amines respectively. This is the peaks of different phenolic and oxide groups. To detect the existence of arsenic nanoparticle samples was crystalline and X-ray diffraction to investigate the structure of nanoparticles. In this figure, the XRD pattern that was created exhibit 4 peaks values 28.35, 34.27, 40.52, and 44.21 of pure metallic arsenic nanoparticles. Scherer formula calculated that crystal had a D size of 35.81 nanometer. Using this Scherer formula, we can measure the size of the particles formed from potato peel. Antibacterial activity of arsenic nanoparticle against Staphylococcus aureus. The impact of arsenic nanoparticle on the growth of Staphylococcus aureus was investigated through 7 different groups. Results revealed a significant reduction in bacterial growth compared to control group with increasing mean values observed across the treated groups. This suggests that arsenic nanoparticles exert inhibitory effects on the growth of Staphylococcus aureus in a dose-dependent manner. These findings underscore the potential of arsenic nanoparticle as antimicrobial agent, highlighting their relevance in combating bacterial infections and offering avenues for the further exploration in medical and environmental contexts. Here are the mean and standard error of mean of different control groups, which is clearly significantly different from the control groups. Here in this figure, antibacterial activity of biogenically synthesized and arsenic nanoparticles against Staphylococcus aureus is revealed. Determination of minimum inhibitory concentration. Minimum inhibitory concentration falls between 500 microgram per ml and 250 microgram per ml. MIC is equal to 500 plus 250 divided by 2, that is 375 microgram per ml. MIC value of arsenic nanoparticle was between 500 microgram per ml and 250 microgram per ml, which is calculated as 350 microgram per ml. Conclusion: the utilization of aqueous extract of potato peels in the production of arsenic nanoparticles proved to be a successful approach. The current study introduced a very effective, environmentally sustainable procedure for synthesizing smaller sized arsenic nanoparticle. And from this research, it can be concluded that arsenic nanoparticles can be synthesized from potato peel, and these are useful against pathogenic strains of Staphylococcus aureus. In this research, it seems that biogenic synthesis from a potato peel is possible, which is a cheaper way to produce arsenic nanoparticles. It can be recommended from the present study that arsenic nanoparticle can help explore the new way to use arsenic nanoparticles as antibacterial agents in future endeavors. Thank you for your attention.